to you. Okay, so when it comes to the treatment of dark knuckles, you can understand that due to some kind of stress situations or use of product that is not actually suitable for your skin, there might be occurrence or reoccurrence of dark hands and dark feet or dark knuckles and what have you. Okay, so when you're treating dark knuckles, especially when you're using products from my brand, okay, this is what you would notice. First things first, you're going to notice that if you're not careful enough to put the cream on the specific area where you have dark situations, okay, where you're treating the hyperpigmentation situation or the burn or the damage or what have you, you would notice that the areas around that area get lighter quickly compared to the treatment of the areas itself. What am I trying to say? If you're having dark knuckles, right, if you are the kind of person that is not careful to put the creams on the dark knuckles, right, if you are putting the creams all over your hands, the reason why you're going to experience more lightening effect around the areas before the knuckles is basically because these areas don't actually have any damage, and the product is actually a very active product that tackles hyperpigmentation. So if you don't have any situations or any treatment situations around the areas that you're tackling and you're rubbing the products around there, definitely you're going to notice a brightening effect on that area. Okay, and if you notice that brightening effect, there is nothing absolutely wrong. It's just because you are applying the product on areas where it doesn't need the treatment of hyperpigmentation. This is just basic science. Okay, that's not necessarily saying that the product is causing damage or you don't understand the product itself. Continue to carefully apply the cream on the knuckles where you have the areas, and I've taught you guys, a lot of you, how to apply such cream. And please, I always advise, when you're getting knuckle cream, make sure that you're buying a scrub so that you can gently exfoliate that area to open the skin pores around there, so that the cream or the product you're applying can easily penetrate and give you the result faster that you are looking for. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, once you're done with the treatment and your knuckles is completely clear, it will definitely blend well together. You can just stop using the cream because it's a treatment cream. You cannot continually use it. You stop it until when you have issues to handle, then you can pick it up and use again. All right, as you exfoliate, you apply the cream, massage it in, and then give it time. Okay, the knuckle treatment does not do the job like magic. Okay, you give it time. All right, to some persons that have mild situation, it might fade off within 3 weeks or so, and to some persons that have serious degree damage or burn due to harsh product or due to overstress and use of harsh product for a very long time, you know that your own treatment might take a longer period of time before you get the result that you want to get. So now that we have that out of the way, please, if you are having situations like dark hands, dark feet, doesn't matter the situations you have, whether it is mild, whether it is intense, don't worry, we got you. Just send me a DM and then we'll get your own treatment sorted out and you start your treatment on time. The earlier the better. It doesn't really look good when you're using good products